Right, so we try to continue our discussion on the revision exercise, redox set 2. Question 5. As the information given, the color will change from yellow-brown to green gradually. Well, that means it is a sign for iron 3 change to iron 2. And first, yes, explain the color change. And don't forget to write the ionic half equation. Well, for the ionic half equation part, that is easy, right? Iron 3 ion receive electron to form iron 2. But don't forget to explain, because iron 3 ion receive electron or being reduced to iron 2, like this. B1, what would be observed in the potassium iodide solution? Write an ionic half equation. Now, before your work, I highly suggest that you draw the electron direction sign like this. Potassium iodide or iodide solution going to lose electron to form iodine. And here is the ionic half equation. So what will be observed? Yes, is colorless solution becomes brown. Finally, whether iodide ion is oxidized or reduced, it is easy if you study the oxidation number change is from -1 to 0. That is increasing, so it is oxidized. Now, don't forget, here you need to explain. Well, that means not only give either oxidized or reduced, but also give the reason behind. And here we shows, right? The oxidation number of iodine change from -1 to 0, that is increase. And part C, identify the direction of electron flow. Very good, we have finished already. Question 6. Well, first, you are given, yes, the permanganate ion higher tendency to be reduced. That means the potassium permanganate solution going to receive electron. And here is the direction flow of electron. Part A suggests the observable change for the potassium permanganate solution in acidified. Let's write down the ionic half equation first. You are familiar with that already, like this. And the observable change here. Violet solution become colorless. Next one, what about potassium sulfate solution? Yes, it is. Because it's going to lose electron, so the oxidation number will increase. SO3 2-, finally become SO4 2-. Act as a reducing agent. We need a water to balance the number of oxygen and 2 hydrogen ion. Finally, 2 electron on the product side. Yes, this is reduced. B2, explain whether the sulfate ion is oxidized or reduced. Well, this is easy because it acts as a reducing agent, so sure it is oxidized, because the oxidation number of sulfur increased from +4 to +6. And finally, again, we have finished the job on the direction of electron flow. Question 7. This is about the silver oxide cell, where we have no idea what is inside. In our syllabus, we only know that there is zinc metal used for donating electron, and silver oxide as receive electron, and the electrolyte is potassium or sodium hydroxide, which is strongly base and corrosive. And here shows the detail. First of all, in which direction of electron flow to the external circuit? So of course from Y to X, because zinc is going to lose electron to form zinc ion. Part B, Decide and explain which one is the cathode of the cell. Now, always remember red cat and N-ox. So cathode means reduction. Surely it will not in Y, right? Because Y undergo oxidation and X undergo reduction. But you need to be careful on the questions. If you just write down, alright, in X or electrode X, sorry to say, you will not get marks from the exam because you need explain. Otherwise, no mark will be given, even though correct answer is written down. And the reason behind is because silver oxide receive electron and reduced it to silver metal. This is the reason behind. Finally, write an ionic equation for the discharging of silver oxide cell. That means we need to combine two equations together, and you can see already 2 hydroxide ion, 2 electrons will be eliminated. And here is our result. That's it. Next is question A. I recommend you for those questions. First, highlight which one is most reactive or highest reducing power. This is strong Ra. Well, that means the silver ion is strong OA. That's it. Just a little sign can help you a lot. So first of all, which metal on the list form iron most readily? Yes, is iron. Part B, form iron least readily. That means it is the least in reactivity. Sure, this is silver. Which two metal strip will give maximum output voltage? And don't forget your choice. Of course, this is Fe and Ag, silver, because you can memorize the answer already, because they have the largest difference in the position in ECS. Some of you may wonder, can I write ECS in the public exam? The answer is no. I highly recommend you to write down the full name is electrochemical series. The last question is a multiple choice. Magnesium is more reactive than nickel. Very good. Then we can give the electron moving or electron direction side like this. First of all, is the magnesium ion increase? Sure, because magnesium going to lose electron to form iron. So of course, the concentration of iron will increase. The second one is the mass of nickel decrease. No, because the nickel 2 ion is going to receive electron and form solid on the electrode. So the electrode should increase in mass. 3. Stoppage allow electron flow? No. Only metal can allow electron flow. And the basic principle for the stoppage is there is nothing pass through from one beaker to another, right? So 3, no. So the answer is A.